Hello everyone, are you ready to boost your financial expressions? We've got some essential idioms related to money matters that will take your conversations to the next level. Make sure to watch the video all the way through to discover these valuable expressions. Take a few minutes to watch the video and learn how to incorporate these idioms into your everyday conversations. So today's video is all about idioms related to financial circumstances. Watch it. As it's obvious that some people are poor, so you can go for this idiom, be on the breadline. Be on the breadline, which means be very poor. For example, more people in Britain are on the breadline now than 30 years ago. Or if you're poor, you can say, I'm on the breadline these days, or someone is on the breadline these days. So it's an important idiom while describing your poor financial circumstances, or while describing someone's poor financial circumstances. So try to learn it and use it in your conversation. Be on the breadline. However, if you live an extremely comfortable life, because you have a lot of money, so you can go for this particular idiom, live in the lap of luxury. Live and the lap of luxury, which means live an extremely comfortable life because you have a lot of money. For example, we live simply during the year but enjoy living in the lap of luxury in a nice hotel for our summer holidays. Or you can say, I'm living in the lap of luxury these days. Or for example, he is living in the lap of luxury, so he does not care about the poor people. And if someone has a lot of money or you have a lot of money, you can go for these idioms. Well off, well-to-do, well-heeled, which means having plenty of money. So if you have plenty of money, you can go for these idioms. For example, most of the people living here are clearly very well-to-do. Clearly very well-to-do means they are rich, but there are a few poor families. Or you can say some people living here are well-to-do, however other are on the breadline. So you just used both the idioms. The first one, be on the breadline, and this one, well-off, well-to-do, and well-heeled. So try to learn and use it in your daily conversation. And if you're spending carefully because you have less money, so you spend less than you did before. So you can go for this idiom, tighten your belt. Tighten your belt, which means spend less than you did before because you have less money. For example, I'm afraid we'll have to tighten our belts. Now there is another mouth to feed. There is another thing to do, so we have to spend less right here. So it's an important idiom. Try to use it in your daily conversation. Tighten your belt because you have some other things to do. And if you have a successful way of making money, you have a business that earns a lot, you can go for be a money spinner. Be a money spinner, which means be a successful way of making money. For example, my business was quite a money spinner when I was at college. Or you can say, my business is quite a money spinner right these days. Or someone's business is quite a money spinner. He earns a lot. That's all for today. Stay tuned with us for more videos like this.